In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font to all caps in Excel. If you need to quickly convert lowercase or mixed case text into uppercase letters, Excel gives you a very simple way to do it. This is especially useful when you're cleaning up lists, formatting names, product codes, labels, or any other text that needs a consistent all caps look. To get started, type your text in column A. This will be the original text you want to convert. You can enter one item or a full list, depending on what you're working with. Keeping the original text in one column is helpful because it lets you transform the content without overwriting what you already typed. Next, click on an empty cell, such as B2. The idea here is to place the converted version in a separate column. That way, you can compare the original text in column A with the uppercase result in column B. This is a good habit in Excel because it makes your work easier to review and helps avoid accidental changes to your source data. Once you've selected the empty cell, enter this formula: equals upper, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. Then press enter. Excel will instantly convert the text from cell A2 into all capital letters. The upper function is designed specifically for this purpose, and it works well when you want a fast, reliable conversion. If you have more text below, you don't need to type the formula again and again. Just drag the fill handle down to convert the rest of the text. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. When you drag it downward, Excel automatically applies the same formula to the cells below, adjusting the row reference as it goes. This saves time and makes the process much more efficient, especially for longer lists. There's also a second method if you want to type directly in uppercase from the beginning. Before typing, turn on caps lock on your keyboard. Then enter your text normally and everything will appear in all caps. When you're finished, turn caps lock off so you can go back to regular typing. This method is helpful if you haven't entered the text yet and want to avoid converting it afterward. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to make text all caps in Excel, whether you're converting existing entries with a formula or typing in uppercase from the start. Thank you for watching.